Hello everyone, we are four students, Vinay, Victor, Charlotte and me, and we are going to talk about an analysis case about Don Simon. Don Simon was created in 1980 in Jumalia, Spain, with the launch of the first wine package in bricks. It's known for having the best sales figures on the Spanish juice market and for marketing wines. In the thousands, the company decided to enter the citrus fruit sector and invested 100 million euros in the creation of a factory in the province of Huelva. Don Simon belongs to the Garcia Garand Group, a multinational group founded by José Garcia Caron in 1890. It owns 19 wine brands, some of which have a designation of origin. In 2006, half of the turnover of the GJC group came from Don Simon's sales, and in this figure almost double.
So I'm going to present about the five forces Porters. Porter five forces is a model that identify and analyze five competitive forces that shape every industry, help determine an industry weakness and strength. Five forces also analyze the identify an industry structure. The first one is that the threat of new intel. It tells that how difficult and easy for the new product to enter in the market to give confidence to the consumer. Means whenever any product comes in the market, how it is difficult for the new product to enter in the market, because in the market we have already so many new same type of product, and there are so many other brands which are already very famous in the market. So it is very difficult for the new product to enter in the market and to make their name and fame in the market. Then bargain power of buyer, that is consumer have so many options in the market, as like Don Simon. When Don Simon enter in the market, there were so many product already in the market. So for the Don Simon, it was very difficult to compete the other product as like the same it has. So it was very difficult for them to compete them and to make their own image in the market. So consumer can give some nice, or so if he wanted to make their image in the market, they have Don Simon has to give good offer to the consumer so that they can it can attract to the consumer. Then third is threat of substitute product of service. It means that how easy for the consumer to switch from one brand to another brand just because of price, quality and quantity is a very is vary to each. Because when you have a same type of product in the market, consumer have so many options. They just look how much I am going to pay for this product and how much I'm going to pay for the same type of product which is already exists in the market, and it has also good reputation in the market, right? So the consumer look first the price according to their budget, but if their budget is very good, then they don't look the price. Second, they look the quality. If the quality is good and price is also high, so sometimes consumer think that okay, if I'm getting good quality, even though I'm paying 10 to 15 cent or 30 cent extra, they don't care about it, they just go for it because they want quantity, they want quality, not the quantity of the product, right? Then third is bargaining power of the supplier. When supplier have bargaining power, they can apply place pressure for the company to charging the higher price, adjusting the quality product or the controlling ability and delivery timeline. Example, again, like when a buyer whom like Don Semen, when before entering in the market, they try to uh, they try Don Semen. Uh, it was Don Semen was trying to enter in the market, and it has not a very good supply. They were not able to supply very well, right? Then on that time, the person who's taking the product, they try to force them that you have to deliver your product on the time, so that we can give your product to the consumer on the time, and you can make your more consumer in the market, and people can attract from you. Fifth is rivalry among competitors. Rivalry competitors mean when the competition is high in the market and consumer can easily switch from one brand to other brand, affect, affect a lot or to do bottom in the business. Like consumer have product from Don Semen, but just because of this brand has little price, higher consumer move from one brand to other brand, and it is big attack for the bottom of the any business, because you know that these are my consumer, they are definitely going to buy your buying, they are definitely going to buy your product. But when you are not able to when they switch from one brand to another brand, it is really affect the business, and it also affect your financial condition, your economic condition, and you have to again start searching same type of consumer in the market who can buy your product. So that time you need to clear that your price is good, your quality is good, your supply is good, also your consumer are able to reach get your product on the time. These all the things are very necessary for the five forces, right? Then it come segment of the market. Consumer segment in the practice of dividing a company customers into group of reflect similarity among the customers in each group. The goal of segmenting customer deciding how related the consumer customers is decided how to relate the customer in each segment. It has again four: demographic, pharmographic segment, behavior, and physically. Now I'm going to transfer this. I'm going to call to Charles. She is going to present more about the same presentation.
Don Simon is active in the food and drink market. He has several kinds of products: juice, wines, gazpacho, sauce, and milk. Here we look at the gazpacho market. Gazpacho is very present in Spain market. These are products made in Andalusia. Last year, Spain produced 76 million liters of them. In the Spanish market, we find several competitors such as Albale, Galina Blanca, Knorr, Garcia Milan, Santa Teresa, and some private label. So we have choose to make a competitor rank. In the first position, we can find Albale because he is the leader and the pioneer in this brand. Victor is going to conclude.
In conclusion, the food sector of Don Simon's brand is a very attractive sector, the first in the country. Don Simon is a leading brand with a product portfolio that is so broad that it allows it to reach different segments. Despite a high turnover, the brand does not convey an image close to the consumer. The other problem is the lack of knowledge of certain products. So the company decided to publicize the gazpacho, for which they direct specific action for this product and its add value through a special presentation. After a change of positioning, sales increased. This increase is directly related to the new positioning of the company, to the notoriety of the product also. We can conclude that any brand, whatever its size and turnover, must always work on its image and positioning, because it must not only be concerned about selling, but also about staying in the market, differentiating itself from the competition, and always being at the forefront from the consumers. Thank you for listening to us.
Thank you. We have finished our presentation. I hope you guys like it. And thank you so much, sir.